welcome back to my channel. My name is Smriti Goswami and I hope you all are safe and doing well and taking all the precautions that are required because of the COVID situation. And yeah, as you have read by the title that this is going to be a Nykaa haul, I bought few items previously when the Hot Pink Friday sale was going on and I tested few of them. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you all. So yeah, let's get started with the video. The first two products of this video are the basic household items, and the first one is the Veggie Clean. It says safely removes germs and chemicals and waxes, clean all the fruits and vegetables, 100% naturally derived cleaners. So I bought this to clean all my vegetables. As we all know, we have to wash all the vegetables after bringing it from the market, because we don't know how many people have touched those products. So to be safe and to take all the basic necessity precautions, I got this. And yeah, I was using something else before this, but I heard a lot about this, so I got this. And the MRP of this is 99 rupees and the product is 200 ml. So yeah, the second product is the Lifebuoy Germ Clean Spray. It says kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, safe on skin and on surfaces. I got this not for skin, for my parcels to sanitize them, because the previous one got over. And I wanted to try this because this was on sale and the MRP of this is 149, and maybe I got it around 100, and the product is 75 ml. So yeah, I got this for my parcels to sanitize them. Okay, the next items are basically my hair color items, and I wanted to try few brands, because previously I have colored my hair in the salon, and after that I colored my hair uh, for once from the Garnier one, and did not stay that long. So I wanted to try some other brands. So I got uh, three different brands. The first is the Streaks one. I got the small packet because I wanted to try it for the patch test first, and then I'll buy the bigger versions of this. The MRP of this is 30 rupees and the color is natural brown. I just wanted to try for the patch test, and I'll give it to my mom because she loves black hair, so she'll try probably, or we'll see it. But yeah, I got this to see how vibrant the colors are of the Streaks one. Okay, the next product is from L'Oreal Paris. The color is 500 medium brown. The MRP is 199, but I got it on sale. And there are developer, shiner, tonic, colorant, and all this in this also, and the gloves, not any kind of brush to apply. And yeah, this was the highest rated hair color product on Nykaa, so I got this to try and see how the colors are of this brand. So I'll try this. And the last product for the hair color thing is the Be Blunt one. I got it in the color natural brown. uh, Same, I got it to see how the colors appear on my hair, and to try something new. Both these are in the color natural light brown or medium brown, because I wanted to color my hair. I wanted to hide my gray hairs because I'm aging now, and yeah, it's heretic that I'll have more gray hairs before my age. So I wanted to cover it. I don't want it to look old, so I got it. And yeah, this is the next product. The MRP of this is 199, and yeah, I got this also on sale. Okay, the next item is the basic item for skincare, that is makeup remover of Garnier oil infused one, the micellar water, because the previous one got over in this also, and I wanted to do the backup. It's I can just use for once only the previous product. So I definitely needed this and I wanted to make the video, because if I won't start using this, then the packaging will be removed. And yeah, so yeah, this is a good product, but my skin tends to break out sometimes. It irritates my skin, but I don't use on my skin. I only used to remove my lipstick and my eyeliner, and yeah, that is it. I don't use it on my skin because it irritates my skin, and definitely there is a breakout after that. So does not suit my skin. Okay, the next product is the Cetaphil or Cetaphil ultra hydrating lotion for skin. In this also I have a on and off relationship with this, because sometimes it suits me and sometimes it does not, and yeah, it makes my skin sometimes oily, but it says that it is 24 hours moisturizing for daily use, non greasy, non irritating. But after that also I am a very oily person, so it does makes my skin oily. But at the time when it does, the weather changes and nothing suits me, this suits me perfectly, so I got it for that purpose. And this is also a backup and the second buy for this product. And yeah, this is very cheap. Its MRP is 180 rupees and I got it on sale, so yeah, it's a steal deal. The products of Cetaphil are very good, but it's just that it does not suits me that much. Okay, the next product is Nivea's body lotion in yellow hydration variant, and it says the deep moisturizing. I got this 400 ml, priced at 365 rupees on a great deal. I got a lip balm with this free, and we all know the lip balm rate is 199 or 150, and I got it together with the body lotion. The MRP of body lotion is 365 and 150, but I got both these below 300, approximately 293 or 273. So it was a great deal and it will long last me to 2 months or 3 months, because it goes a long way. A little goes a long way. So yeah, this will last me a little long. After that another sale will come and I'll buy something again. I'll buy this or the other variants again. So yeah, तब तक के लिए मेरा काम चल जाएगा। और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि इसके साथ एक लिप बाम फ्री है, क्योंकि मैं एक लिप बाम होल्डर हूँ और मुझे लिप बाम्स बहुत पसंद है। जैसा कि आप अभी देखेंगे इसके बाद कि मैंने और 2 लिप बाम्स खरीदे हैं, जो कि हैं एक तो निविया के और एक है नाइका के द सीरियल किसर लिप बाम. I got these both because I love lip balms, as I said, and these both are the clear ones. These moisturize my lips very fantastically, and the moisturizing stays for a long time. If I apply this in the night time, it stays till the morning. Means it makes my lips softer, so I love these both. And this has a very nice fragrance of green apple, and I love this both. And I have now 3 lip balms and I love all the 3. I have used these 2 previously, but I never used this, but after using this I love this, and I'll rebuy the other variants. There are many variants in this, you can buy any of them. I got the MRP of this is 149 and I got it for 104, approximately 100 rupees, so very cheap. And Nykaa products then worth buying, are worth buying, I mean. So yeah, okay, the next product is the new launch from Pond's, the light moisturizing non-oily fresh feel. Definitely it is very lightweight on my skin, and yeah, not all products suits me, but this suits me very nicely and does not breaks me out. I am shocked that कुछ तो मेरे स्किन को सूट कर गया फाइनली। इतने महंगे प्रोडक्ट्स में इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद जब कुछ सूट नहीं किया, तब पॉन्स ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एक प्रोडक्ट निकालता है जो मुझे सूट कर जाता है, तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई. सो द MRP ऑफ दिस इज़ 115 and I got it on discount for 109. मतलब 4-5 रुपये कम थे, बट स्टिल आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई पॉन्स बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑल ओवर. एंड हर ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर बात कर रहा था और इतना सस्ता था कि मैंने सोचा इन्वेस्ट कर लेते, देखते क्या होता है. एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉम अ वीक नाउ एंड इट इज़ सूटिंग मी परफेक्टली. इट डज नॉट मेक्स माई स्किन मोर ऑयली एंड absorbs in my skin very quickly, so I loved it. If you are a person like me, मतलब मेरी स्किन जैसे पर्सन हो, तो आपको ये डेफिनेटली खरीदना चाहिए. आपको ज़रूर पसंद आएगा शायद, अगर आपको सूट कर रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट आइटम इज़ द न्यूट्रोजिना अल्ट्रा शी ड्राई टच सन ब्लॉक SPF 550 plus. I got this on a recommendation of my friend. She used this and her skin is absolutely like mine, so she used it and she liked it, so she suggested me and I got this for myself. Yeah, and this is very light on the skin. The small tube आपको लग रहा होगा कि बहुत छोटा है, पर अभी लॉकडाउन है, हमें कहीं बाहर जाना नहीं होता है और मुझे धूप में कहीं निकलना नहीं होता है, तो मैंने ये छोटा वाला खरीदा एक बार देखने के लिए कि अगर ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया और अगर वो मुझे सूट नहीं किया तो किसी काम का नहीं है, तो मैंने छोटे में इन्वेस्ट किया. अगर बाई चांस सूट कर जाता है तो मैं बड़े में इन्वेस्ट कर दूँगी. छोटा वाला ही बहुत महंगा था, 199, तो मुझे सेल में मिला. And yeah, this is suiting me and it does not breaks me out and I'm liking it for now. I have gone out for 2-3 times to the grocery store to leave my mom to the shop and a little bit, but yeah, उन कामों के लिए भी बड़ा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. अभी देखते हैं ये सूट करता है कि नहीं. अगर करेगा तो आप नेक्स्ट हॉल में मेरे ज़रूर देखेंगे इसका बड़ा वाला वर्जन. एंड या मैंने न्यूट्रोजिना के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बड़ा सुना है, देखते हैं काम करता है कि नहीं. आई हैव ट्राइड मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स बट कुछ सूट नहीं करता है मुझे, इसलिए मैं ऐसा बोल रही हूँ. ओके, द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ द प्लम फेस मिस्ट in the green tea variant. I wanted this to use because very many people are talking about this, and again my friend is using this and she suggested me that this will suit me and this is a good product. I am using it for now for 3 days and yeah, इसको स्प्रे कर दो. इसकी खुशबू इतनी रिफ्रेशिंग है. द स्मेल ऑफ दिस इज़ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग एंड या आई लव इट बिकॉज कुछ झंझट नहीं है. निकालो, ऐसे करो और फिर फुस. The smell of this is very refreshing and I like this very much. I'll definitely invest in more plum products because this is suiting me. There is no breakout on my skin. I'm not wearing any makeup by the way, and I never wear makeup oftenly, so yeah, and this is suiting my skin. It also makes my skin glow, so yeah, I'm liking this product for now. देखते हैं अगर थोड़ा कम होता है तो फिर उसके बाद कैसा रिजल्ट दिखाता है. एज वी ऑल नो देयर इज़ वेरी ह्यूमिडिटी हियर, सो फॉर दैट दिस इज सूटिंग मी perfectly. Okay, so that's all for the video. If you like, please hit that like button. Please share with your friends and family. Also comment down below which product suits you and which does not, and which product should I try for my type of skin, and yeah, what all videos you would like to watch on my channel. Please leave the suggestions in the comment box, and yeah, till then, bye bye.